Hey everybody, thanks for coming back. This is solution number 2 or 2B for project 2. I wanted to show you a slightly different way that we could have handled the calculations with the arithmetic operators and the if statements. So let's go. If you don't have the code, please go grab project number 2, solution 1 from GitHub. It's below. I have project 2 opened up right now. And we'll just take a little gander at it, and then what I'm going to do is save as. Save as project space 2b.py. And that way we'll still have our other copy and this new copy. Okay? Okay, next thing we're going to do is, this is where we left off, the last project. But if we take a look at this, we got two conditions here. And what we'd like to do is only have the program use one if statement, and then we can use an else to cut down on a little bit of processing. So we'll do else. We'll get rid of the second if statement. We'll make sure that the code is indented properly. And now this is going to handle all the cases. So let's just change the text here, all cases. And just as a reminder for our commenting, if hours is less than or equal to our int regular hours limit, that will handle the true side for the if statement. And we have an else in there as well. So our else will handle the false. And this will handle all the cases between 0 and how many hours you put in there. And now we only have one if statement. We don't have two. Remember, we started with 3 in the last project. Now we've got it down to 1 with a simple else statement. So we should be able to run the code. Enter the employee name, John. 40, perfect. Next one we got to check is bill, and we think we used 55 hours. And then Kate. And Kate worked 0 hours. So we got to the same place with less lines of code and a more efficient program because we only have to do one evaluation for the if statement. Awesome. So the process of us making this more efficient is called a refactor, and I think we've refactored this to make it a little more efficient. Again, one if statement. So your program is not going to consume as many resources. Okay, we'll see you in the next video.